Welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of AI agents, what they are, the different levels they come in, and how they're transforming industries. From simple reactive systems to advanced self improving agents, we'll explore their uses across various domains like healthcare, finance, manufacturing, and more. Let's get started. First, let's talk about reactive agents. These are the simplest AI systems. They don't remember past interactions or learn, they simply respond based on predefined rules. For example, basic chatbots that answer FAQs or automated tools for processing claims in insurance. Where they're used, reactive agents shine in domains like customer service, where they handle repetitive queries, or in automated ticketing systems for IT support. They save time by streamlining workflows in predictable environments. Next up, task specialized agents. These are experts in their niche, for instance, fraud detection algorithms in banking, medical imaging systems in healthcare, or recommendation engines in e commerce. How they're used? In logistics, they optimize delivery routes to save fuel and time. In retail, they suggest products customers are likely to buy. And in finance, they flag suspicious transactions in real time. These agents focus on well defined tasks and deliver incredible precision. Now, let's look at context-aware agents. These agents take it up a notch. They can handle complexity by analyzing data from multiple sources and making decisions dynamically. For example, in urban planning, they optimize city traffic by combining data from weather forecasts, traffic patterns, and even public events. Where they're used, in healthcare, they assist doctors by analyzing patient records, medical literature, and real time clinical data for diagnosing complex conditions. In finance, they detect fraudulent behavior by evaluating user activities and market conditions. These agents are perfect for tackling dynamic and unpredictable scenarios. Moving on, we have socially savvy agents, the emotionally intelligent side of AI. They understand human emotions, beliefs, and intentions, making interactions more engaging. For example, customer service bots that detect frustration in your tone and adjust their responses. Where they're used, in human resources, these agents can conduct empathetic interviews. In education, they act as virtual tutors who adapt to the learner's emotional state. And in business, negotiation bots pick up subtle cues to close deals. These agents make AI interactions more human like and effective. Finally, let's explore self reflective agents, the perfectionists of AI. These systems analyze their own performance, learn from mistakes, and improve without human input. Imagine a manufacturing agent that monitors production line inefficiencies and recalibrates machinery to enhance output. Where they're used, in marketing, they refine campaigns based on real time feedback, learning what works and what doesn't. In operations, they continuously improve business strategies to adapt to changing conditions. These agents are all about evolving to deliver better results. So, there you have the different levels of AI agents and how they're used across industries. Whether it's reactive chatbots, task specific fraud detectors, or self reflective manufacturing systems, AI agents are transforming the way we live and work. If you found this exciting, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which AI agent type you'd like to learn more about. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.